Rappers and music producers, it's Curtis King, CurtisKingBeats.com, and today we're discussing the very popular phone app, RapChat. Let's talk about it. Rappers and music producers, I'm pretty sure that you probably already heard of RapChat, but if you have not, there's about 2 million users that may make you feel a little bit left out of the party. However, no worries, we're going to use today's video not only to show you a brief tutorial of what exactly RapChat is and how it can benefit you in your career, but also a little contest that I'm throwing in collaboration with RapChat at the end of this video. But first and foremost, what is RapChat? So RapChat is basically a phone app, a very popular phone app that allows rappers to demo their verses, demo their songs over instrumentals from producers around the world. You basically can record using your iPhone headphones or your AirPods. You can record right on your cell phone and even apply chopped and screwed effects. You can apply chipmunk effects. You can do all kind of crazy stuff, record it, and then on top of just recording it, have it actually chart within their chart system and be exposed to different viewers and listeners that are there on a daily basis. So what are the benefits of using RapChat for an independent rapper? For an independent rapper, your biggest problem is obscurity. Nobody knows who you are, where you're from, and what you represent, and why they should listen to you amongst all the other rappers that are out there. Well, what better way can you have to demo your actual skill set and your talent than to use an app like RapChat? Demo your verse over the beat, which I'm going to show you in a phone tutorial right after this, but demo your verse over a beat, have the producers hear it, and on top of that, have a community of rappers that are also in their own minds in competition with you to hear that as well. A lot of rappers, you send me your links, your SoundCloud links through Instagram, which I don't understand because you can't hyperlink that, but you send me that. Why not get involved in something where it promotes community and where producers are there to hear what people do over their beats? Now for producers, there's a beta version that they have for music producers that allow you to basically sign up. You can upload your beats, they have to be reviewed, but it's a beta version and that's going to be advanced as time goes on. But as of right now, look, you need rappers over your beats. You need to expose your music to these rappers. What better place to be than a phone app to expose your music to people who are on their device looking for rap beats to rap over? Hello, what better place to be than a place like RapChat? So for those of you that are visual learners like myself, let's stop talking about it. Let's actually go to a quick little tutorial that shows you how to use RapChat on your device, and then please stay tuned at the end because I'm going to announce a contest that Curtis King, yes Curtis King is doing with RapChat. Okay, rappers and producers, as you can see, I'm in front of my iPhone right now. It's on Android devices as well, but go ahead and download that from your app store. It's under RapChat. Once you go there, the first thing you're going to see is pretty much their dashboard that allows you to see what other rappers are doing with their particular platform. You can go check them out, press the play button. The next thing we're going to look at is over here. You have a search bar that basically allows you to search for the top 100 RapChat raps that have been recorded, as well as the trending hashtag. You get to see rappers that are nearby throughout the RapChat community, as well as a beats chart. This is where you're going to find pretty much your instrumentals that you're going to be able to rap over. You're going to see some producer names. Look at, shout out to DJ Payne. A few familiar names that you're going to see here. You can go over to their page and you can actually pick a beat. Let's go to DJ Payne's actually. Okay, so once you're here, you're going to see some of the trending raps that are underneath this particular producer page. You press play. If you like the instrumental that you're working with, you'll go ahead and go to record. And it'll take you over to the studio section of RapChat. Now they suggest if you're going to record your raps to use some of these iPhone headphones. So basically all you would need to do is go ahead and press record. Countdown comes there. Hey, 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 hey. Once your rap is done, you can play it back or you can add some vocal effects. They have a chipmunk effect. Let's actually listen to it. Now, I'm a little bit of a distance away, and like they said, they suggest you use the headphones, but you get the idea. You go ahead and press this check mark and it'll take you over to the finalizing process behind your song. So next, you're going to go over here to the activity tab that allows you to basically see all the new contests that are trending. It lets you see updates from the RapChat team. And then here you have a profile. Now, right now, I'm just getting started with my particular profile as a producer because yes, producers, you can sign up. There is a beta version for producers. So that's actually something you're going to have to sign into the desktop version of this in order to upload beats and submit them and actually put that stuff into action. So at the end of this, you're going to hear about a challenge that I'm putting together in collaboration with RapChat. It's the Minute Challenge, and it's going to be the Curtis King Minute Challenge. You'll see a banner up here if you go ahead and go to the app, but rappers and producers, sign up. The time's now. Okay, so now that you guys watched that quick tutorial, hopefully that was very helpful, but here we are now to talk about the 1 minute challenge, or the Minute Challenge, hashtag Minute Challenge, that RapChat and Curtis King are putting together. Now, RapChat reached out to me and they were like, Curtis, you do so many great things for the independent rapper and music producer community. We want to give you the opportunity to highlight one of those superstars, one of them bar givers, one of them folks that just, you could just spit your butt off. We want to give one of those people an opportunity to be highlighted in front of 100,000 daily users by being the winner of a contest that we are deeming the Curtis King Minute Challenge. Now, in this Minute Challenge, you are basically going to do whatever your heart desires. Rap your 16 bars, you can rap and sing, you can do something creative. You basically just have 1 minute to do your thing and make an impression. It's a great opportunity for those of you that are really trying to get your name out there, for those of you that are trying to expand your brand. I don't want to just delegate this to up-and-comers. Look, if you've been putting in work and you feel like it needs to be exposed to more than just the audience that you have, jump on this contest. All you got to do is just basically access the RapChat app, and once you go in there, you're going to see in that section that I showed you before, the banner that's going to show you what you got to do, what you got to record, and all I got to say is, rappers, please bring that heat. Because whoever the contest winner is, you're going to enjoy the prize that comes along with that. Once again, this is Curtis King at CurtisKingBeats.com. Peace.